Installing an electric shower should not be a problem even if the bathroom does not have electrical wiring to connect it. Here I show you how to do it. Recommendation: before installing the electric shower, you should read the user manual that comes with the product so as not to make mistakes in its installation. I am going to assume that this shower already has an extension arm, which is used to connect to the water pipe. If in this case you do not have it, you should use a piece of pipe, a coupling, and a union, all 1/2 inch. If in this case the threaded connector of the water pipe is very far in, you should use a coupling to move it further out and thus be able to make the connection without problems. Before connecting the extension arm, you should open the water tap so that any impurities or sediment that are in the pipe are removed. We proceed to make the connection of the extension arm. You should use Teflon tape on the threaded part to avoid water leaks in the installation. We tighten until it is completely tight. Now we proceed to connect the shower. This shower comes with a flow reducer, which we must remove if we have low water pressure or if the water supply is less than 8 meters from the shower. In my case, I will not consider it. Then, we put Teflon tape on the threaded part of the shower and connect it to the extension arm. Now we proceed to do the electrical part. For this case, it has been considered that there is no electrical wiring in the bathroom. So what should be done is to use channels and thus bring the electrical wiring to the bathroom. Remember that these cables should not be connected from a light or the lighting system since it requires a lot of power. What should be done is to bring the cables directly from the electrical panel, which must have differential protection against current leaks. For this installation, the cables come from the panel in channels and the phase and neutral cables go down to the thermal switch, while the green cable, which is the ground cable, goes directly to the shower. It is recommended to apply silicone on the sides of the gutters since the sticker that it comes with in many cases comes off the wall. In the box where the key is located, it is connected as shown. This box that contains the key must be away from the shower and protected against water splashes. Remember that this entire installation must be done without electricity in the cables. For the thickness of the cables and the amperage of the key, the technical data indicated by the shower must be taken into account. For this case, it is an installation for 220 volts, so the manufacturer recommends using a 30 amp key and a cable of at least 4 square millimeters, which, if you use copper cable, number 12 is enough, but if it is not copper, then you must use number 10. I am going to use a 32 amp key since that is the commercial value closest to 30 in my country. When we have all the wiring, we cover the gutters to prevent water from entering. The wiring that comes out from the faucet goes into the gutters and reaches the shower. Here, the white wires are for the power supply, that is, connecting to the phase and neutral. These have no polarity so they can go anywhere. The green wire must be connected to the wiring of the grounding system. If in this case your home does not have one, this wire must be connected to a rod for physical ground. This rod in turn must be grounded. Once the wires are connected and insulated, they must be pulled through the gutters so that they are not very exposed. Then you would have the entire connection ready. Before using the shower, you must perform the following steps. First, keeping the shower selector in off mode or the thermal switch lever down, you must open the water faucet to fill the inside of the shower and prevent it from burning due to lack of water. Once the water has passed through the shower and there are no leaks, we then turn off the water tap, raise the lever on the tap and move the selector to any hot mode to then use it and enjoy a nice bath. An average of 10 minutes per bath is recommended so as not to consume a lot of electricity. If you want to know more about electric showers, here at the end and in the description of the video I will leave the links. See you later.